Welcome back to the rough example Datsun 510 project. As you can see today I'm working on the engine, getting that all put back together. I had gotten a lot of the parts like sandblasted and painted up and everything, so just bolting that stuff on. I've got the head just kind of test fit onto the block here and now I'm trying to figure out how to get all the timing chains and all that lined back up. So wish me luck on that. I'm just hoping I don't do it backwards and blow the blow the motor up. So yeah, working on that. Got um, my ITBs here that maybe I'll be able to bolt those on later tonight if I can get my act together and get this motor done. Um, the other update that I have is that I did some work on the parking brake. I was talking about doing that 280ZX conversion, and I was able to get some instructions from the Dime Quarterly newsletter. I think it was from like 1994. That Dean Sherman guy had written that article. So this over here is the handbrake out of 280ZX, and then there's a bracket over here. You can see I had to cut back the sound deadening and weld it onto the floor right here and up here. So that is welded in, and then I cut a hole and put a grommet through the floor right there to get the cable out. So this is just kind of, that's bolted in there, but I haven't gotten the cables situated underneath the car yet. You have to weld a bracket on the underside to receive the cable on that side. Do a couple of other little customizations, but that's basically the only thing I've been working on, is trying to get that dialed in and get this engine ready to put back in the car. The wheels, I've tried a couple of different tire shops and I have not found someone that can get those tires on. So I think I'm going to have to probably buy some new either lips or barrels that have the step out here. Like basically the channel is too far into the middle of the wheel to where the tire installer is not able to get the bead into this area because it's just in so far, which results in it being too tight and they just can't get the tire onto the lip here. So anyway, I probably need to get some new lips bought for these and break the wheels down and figure that out. Not going to be cheap, so kind of dragging my feet on that budget wise. So I did start mocking up my air ride setup in here. Sorry, it's probably really dark. But this is the tank that I'm going to be running, like a spun aluminum tank with, I have a couple of Viair compressors. Haven't decided if I want to run one or two, but I'm going to fabricate a bracket that will hold everything. So this will probably kind of be sitting like that, and then the manifold, might be right here in the middle. And probably have that bracket cut out with like a CNC plasma or something like that, so that it's nice looking, But yeah, I think that's all I got for you guys this week. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great week.